Over the last 50 years, there were major changes in digital and electronic technology. This video is an extract of some of the developments that affected my life since I left school. During my last year at school, we were taken on a vocational guidance tour to the big city, Johannesburg. One of the visits was to a mainframe computer center in the city. I have never seen a computer before. Although I did not really understand what was happening there, I realized this is what I want to do one day. My first job was as a computer operator at the SABC in Auckland Park, Johannesburg. We were trained by IBM, and I was thrilled. I knew I made the right decision. I wanted to learn and know more about computers, so I enrolled for a programming course. We learned about assembler, a low-level machine language, and later about COBOL, a high-level computer programming language. Apple personal computers were introduced in the early 1980s. I started a company to develop software applications for Apple computers. We focused on agricultural applications and traveled the country to demonstrate, educate, teach, sell, and install computers on farms all over South Africa. After we sold the business, I got involved with information technology, project management at commercial banks. Again, a steep learning curve, but highly satisfying as the development of technology snowballed. It was during these years that the internet became more accessible and widely used. Businesses, organizations, and individuals started creating websites to distribute information. Online stores followed, and I was part of pioneer teams to enable Visa and MasterCard payments over the internet. We were on top of the world and thought technology has reached its peak. What more can happen? Well, I think more happened after my retirement from the corporate business world. I learned more new technology since retirement than during my working career. Think about the following applications, just to name a few. Windows became the de facto operating system, very different from the early days of Apple computers. One of the first applications was emails. It was fantastic to send messages all over the world from your own personal computer. Personal digital calendars and contacts followed the implementation of email management software. We were introduced to Dr. Google. Anything you want to know, you can just Google it, instantly in the comfort of your home. We had to learn how to make backups, creating duplicate copies of all the information stored on your computer. When things go wrong or when you cannot keep up with the fast-growing technology, there is remote support available. Your expert assistant can be anywhere in the world, getting access to your computer to help and guide you. Google Earth literally opened the world on your computer. You can search for any place, anywhere, create your own maps, and find the best routes to any destination. As the number of internet users and volume of digital traffic reached new heights, criminals followed. They invented innovative ways to attack and scam innocent users. We had to learn how to protect ourselves using antivirus software. Through the University of the Third Age, I started videography as a hobby. Once again, lots to learn to create so much enjoyment for myself, my family, and friends. First were all the different type of cameras, followed by aerial filming with drones. Editing software is essential to create a video from all the footage that you assemble. Useful tools like this route generator add interesting aspects to a homemade video. YouTube makes it possible to create your own library of films, which can be viewed by friends and family all over the world. Tools to send your creations electronically to any recipient with a computer became available. We found innovative ways to conduct virtual meetings over the internet. Smartphones became an essential item for all mankind. It is much more than a communication tool. It became a computer in the palm of your hand. Google Lens enabled us to use our phones to search with images rather than entering text. Social media overtook the formal media. If you want to be part of it, you have to be on Facebook, Instagram, and many others. Google Maps makes it possible to find any address anywhere. Show you the best route, how good or bad the traffic is, and more. If you go off-road to remote destinations with no internet connection, there is another technology tool to assist. The Global Positioning System, or GPS for short, will make sure that you do not get lost. After absorbing all of the previous and many more, a new major development is on the horizon. I am excited to learn more about artificial intelligence and how I can use it to my enjoyment of the future.